Hey guys, just want to do a quick review on this diamond drill bit, and then we're going to put this to test by cutting a hole in my stucco wall. This diamond drill bit actually have a pilot guide. This diamond drill bit will actually work with or without water, but of course if you're drilling a tick counter, then you may want to put some water so that the drill can work more efficiently. But if you're working with stucco, you don't really need to put water in this one. I like this thing one right here because it has a pilot guide, and the pilot guide can actually be removed if you don't need it, and also you can remove it when you want to remove the material inside this. I like that it has some hole on both sides to help you with removing any materials that are stuck inside. So it's very easy to use this. It comes with a small Allen wrench, and this is used to install or remove your pilot guides. Since this is already installed, let me remove it first. So you just want to turn it counterclockwise. Now you can use this without the pilot guide if you don't need it. And I really like that they made it so that one of the side is actually flat, so that when you use this into your drill, this thing is going to follow the rotation of this right here. So to put this thing back, you want to make sure that the flat side is actually facing the screw, and you just want to tighten it back up. And when you're done using it, you just want to clean it up and put everything back into the case. But right now, let's go ahead and use this. Okay, so to remove it, all you need to do is basically just tap it. So if it doesn't come out right away, just keep tapping it. There you go. And that's how it is. So after that, you just want to clean this thing up and put it back in the case.